What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, y'all. Welcome back to Kelly B Glide. Welcome to another firetail video that we have for you all today. Today, y'all, we got a great video for you today. You see me with my 2024 DCT Gold Wing. Y'all, I'm loving this bike, but getting this bike, you know that the motor is exposed up under the bottom, and you don't want your bike looking like this right here. So you got to protect your bike at all costs while you're on this highway, because you don't want to end up with $20,000 worth of damage on your bike. And I got a product just for you, and we're gonna get into it right after this.
From the heart of Texas where the wide roads run, Kelly B gliding, rides into the sun on a road glide Kong, 140 strong, tearing up the blacktop, humming like a song. He's got that grace, he's got that style, burning rubber, racking miles, with the thunder in his engine and a spark in his eye. He's a legend on wheels, no need to try. Kelly B gliding, wind in his face, chasing the horizon, leaving no trace. Twisted Sisters, what a ride!
Welcome back to the channel, y'all. I thank y'all for joining me and rocking with me. Hey man, for all the new subscribers that just come onto the channel and the people that's been rocking with me since day one, I greatly appreciate you rocking with your boy Kelly B. Man, we got more to come on the channel, but today this is about Traxxion Dynamics. Man, I want to thank Traxxion Dynamics for sending me this piece out that I'm about to show you all. You really need to check this piece out. Man, I did my research on different belly plates, y'all. Skid plates, whatever you want to call them. I looked on Amazon, I looked on eBay, I even Googled some, and I didn't find not one that matched up to this plate right here. After I did my review, did some reviews and everything over different plates and stuff like that, I didn't see nothing that matched this plate. And some of you all was telling me about this plate, and thank you for telling me about this plate, because Traxxion Dynamics was awesome enough to send me this over to show you all. It's an easy installment, but I'm not going to install it. Man, it's so hot out here. I'm not going to be in this garage. I'm going to take it up to Arlen's Honda, and I'm going to let them get this installed, and hopefully we'll get to show you the installation on this while it's getting installed. It's very easy, very few little parts you have to take off the bike and get it installed, and something to do on the casing. But y'all, like I said, I did my research. I checked out Amazon. After I seen what you can do to bend all kind of ways, back and forth, and I mean, up under there it would bend. You could take a hammer and tap it, and then it would bend. I seen what Max did some. Max is the owner of Traxxion Dynamics. He is the owner of Traxxion Dynamics. So I seen what he was doing on some of the plates, and how this plate right here, it was withstanding everything that he threw at it. So for rocks, debris coming up under your bike and busting up your casing on your motor, man, that's gonna cost you big time. So you might as well get the best. My dad always say, measure twice, cut once. So buy it right the first time, so you won't have to go back and rebuy another one, because you don't want to pay $200 or $150 for another one, then you got to go back and get this one. You're wasting money. So I figured you better get it right off the bat. And one reason I went with this one right here is because you can put a jack up on it. I'm gonna open it up. I hadn't opened it up. Man, I've been so busy running around and going out of town for my wife family reunion. I got a great video coming from that too as well. But y'all stay tuned for that. But y'all, this is the plate. With this right here, it says front right here, and this the outside part right here. And I think these are identical, or are they? No, it's not. I'm sorry. This is the front, and I know when you put it on the front, this is for the middle screw to go in. You got two screws. You got a screw here, a screw gonna go here, And this gonna go like this right here on the motor. You just put it on, and that's gonna go over that center bolt. If you look right here in the corner right here, you'll see that where you put this at right here and how the bolts go. You do not remove the center bolt. It's gonna be the two outside bolts. Max has a great video where he's installing this, and it shows you everything. And you have a back one right here too. It says rear on here. You can see rear on the, I guess you can see that. If not, you can see that. And like I say, this one has front on here, and that's the outside of it. So these are both of the little brackets right here that's going to go on here, and they come with the screws. I might put this on myself, but I just want to come over here and show you this plate. And it's got all, I don't want to waste these screws, but let me pull the plate out. But yeah, you got right here, and you got 4 bolts here. So look at this plate, y'all. I saw Max where he took this plate and he bent this plate, bent some of the other plates like wings stuff, and some that he had got off of Amazon and eBay, where they were just bending. He was taking a hammer and hitting it. Just think if a rock hit it, and he was demonstrating how the rock was just busting them up and the hammer was busting them up. And he hit this boy here. You hear that boy? This boy is solid. And y'all, and you're not gonna bend this right here. You're not gonna bend this at all. This is a great plate to cover up anything that's gonna withstand that right there. Just look at that. Ain't nothing gonna bend that, dude. I'm trying to my best right now to bend this. And like I say, the plate gonna go like this right here. You got 4 bolts gonna be in the, that's gonna go up under here to the front. Then you got 3 that's gonna go toward the back, and some little bitty screws. After you put the bracket on, you can see the front where it's got the 4 screws right here. So that's gonna go toward the front right there. It's gonna sit on the top just like this right here. And the back one, it's got the 3 screws. It's gonna sit up just like that right there. So after you take those bolts out, that's the 2 bolts that I showed you in the picture here, they're gonna go right here. You don't mess with the center bolt at all. Do not mess with the center bolt. You can put this on yourself. Like I say, Max got a great video of putting this on, but I wanted to show you that I do have this now. And I want to thank Traxxion Dynamics again for sending this board over, because I hadn't put any miles on this bike, and one reason is because of this. I did not want to cross any state lines without having this. I was just in Memphis, Tennessee, Lord, and I wanted to ride my bike, but y'all streets are trash. Just like Shreveport, Louisiana, trash. And I don't want to bust the bottom of this bike right here. This bike cost me too much, and even though I got warranty on this bike, but this thing, if your bike go out of warranty and you don't have warranty on it no more, you're gonna be in trouble. So go ahead, check out Traxxion Dynamics. I'll put a link down here across the screen. You go check this out, and I think you're gonna be well pleased with it. Spend the money, save your bike, y'all. Spend the money, save a headache for later. So I want to thank everybody who told me to get this plate, and man, it is not, I mean, this is it, man. This is on point, y'all. But we're gonna get out of here. I want to thank Traxxion Dynamics for sending me this over. When I go get this put on, I'm definitely gonna take y'all along with me. And plus, I don't have a center stand on here. It'll be hard to get up under here, even a wheel chalk, so I can stand the bike straight up and get the plate on there. I probably could do it without that, but this bike is so low to the ground, so I would just take it up there to Al Lamb's Honda. And make sure you go check out Al Lamb's Honda in Dallas, Texas. Tell them Kelly B sent you up there, y'all. I'll put an address on the screen. Go up to ask for Tyler, Mr. Al himself, Cody, all those good guys up there, and they would take care of you. And yeah, I'm gonna take you along with me when I go up there this week and get this boy put on, so I can put some miles on my 2024 DCT Gold Wing called the Hook, y'all. That boy is looking good. I'm gonna do y'all a walk around later on the bike, I'm gonna put it out in the sunshine and let you see how this boy looks, and I think you're gonna be well pleased. That is my phone ringing, but y'all, we're gonna end this video right here, and I appreciate everyone for checking out the video. But y'all, until the next time, to the next grind, y'all stay tuned, man. We got more and more rides to come. Y'all, I'm out of here. Peace. Love y'all.